Page 22, Let's Go Fly a Kite. This is again from the musical Mary Poppins. For the movie. 3/4 time. No sharps or flats in the key signature, cherub, but we got accidentals, flats in the music, so we got a few black keys to deal with. And I'm going to take it one hand at a time to make sure we get the fingering and the notes and all, because who knows what we're doing here. You're starting out at the beginning with third finger on F, so you're here. You may not stay here, but that's where you're starting. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Not too hard, I hope. Let's go over to page 23 and measure 13. You see the little 13 with a in the square? That's a measure number. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 and. Well, isn't this fun? 2. So much for that. And actually, it looks like you're not moving around at all. You're right there. You just got to get the rhythm right. Go down the last line. So it's a lot. Measure 27. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Rest, rest. Let's fly a kite. Okay. Left hand. You're starting here with a B flat and a D. So you're kind of in this position except your thumb's up here. You're kind of doing both with the thumb, that's all. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You bring the thumb down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You get the idea. Okay. Go over to page 23. Second measure there. It's measure 12. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then crossover. They got crossover there. You'll need that. You just need the 2. You're just going to come over. Just relax and you can do this. Don't twist around anything. Just relax and clear. 2, 3, and then lift up like you were at the beginning. Put the hands together. And again, we're just trying to get them to work together here. So hesitate all you need to. It doesn't matter. So it's 1 here, and then these 2, and then here. Here, 2. Those are together. And then here, there, and then here, 2. And measure 9, 1. It's a G and a C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. So you go through and put the hands together and then go back through and work on it and get rid of the hesitations. You go as slow as you got to go, but it has to be a steady beat. You can speed it up later. Then we can add in this articulation. This melody, we want to connect it. You can't really lift up. You see in the words, you can see where the sentences and commas are. Lift up. Just here, and it's just like taking a breath. Again. Lift up. See, there's a break here. There's a little silence there. Do that, and then in the left hand you got these short staccatos, and I'm hinging at the wrist on here. Throughout. Measure 13. You're going to connect this, connect all that together, and there. Connect all that all the way up. But in the right hand, staccato. Just lift up. So forth. That's pretty much it. I mean, at the end, you can see in the last line, you get here. You hold that down until you play that. And to hold that down, and then staccato. Again, it's here, here, and then staccato. And you get an accent on the last note, so play a little louder. A little louder. So you get out the idea that articulation, the slurs and staccatos, and then go back and now we'll add in this loudness and softness, dynamics. MP mezzo piano is sort of soft, moderately soft. That's the melody. Whatever Whatever you think, sort of soft. These left hand needs to be soft. We want to hear the melody. Now that doesn't mean you play the melody loud because you want to hear it. You play the melody where it needs to be. It's sort of soft. And you play everything else under it. Learn to play really, really soft on a piano. Then on measure 8, that's melody. It should sound like one hand played all of that. And then you go back in the left hand to be soft again. This is melody and that's soft. And you see that arrow, that hairpin we call it? That's a crescendo. You're going to go from moderately soft to loud. Yeah, measure 17, the F forte, you're loud. So plan it out. I'm going to start, actually you can come down to soft if you want here. And then go up just a hair, and then a little hair, and then moderately loud, now loud. So each measure I'm getting a little bit louder. But the left hand is still on the soft side. Then on measure 25, come down a little bit to moderately loud. It's a little softer than where you were. I mean, you were loud, now you're just sort of loud. And that's melody, this is soft, this is the last line. And you're still sort of loud, and you crescendo back up to loud. In the right hand. And then at the end, we want to hear the right hand. I want to hear that over that. Go fly a kite. You need to get to know it well enough that you feel these dynamics. That's really better. Because it's like at the beginning, moderately soft, and you don't get anything else until measure 14. You're not going to play all of that at moderately soft. You can get a little louder and softer, just stay within that area. But you got to get to know it so you can feel it. Don't force it. Speed with gusto. This is a happy piece. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check all the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms and staccatos. I'll do that too. So I'll give us 3 counts. So let's try it together, even just one hand at a time if you have to for a while. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, rest, rest. Rest, rest. There's a duet at the bottom of these pages. I like to play that, and you play what you just played. We're going to pick it up a bit, and again, you got to focus on what you're doing because this duet part at the bottom is all different than you. But this time, there's no introduction or nothing. You come in, we all start together at the same time. However, I still need you to go up an octave. So pretend middle C on the piano is simply one C up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it up here. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.